Hello YouTuber, today is my big day. I just bought a first class flight ticket to Argentina. So you see in my bag it's a private jet. Just before Christmas. Let's take a look.
What? Where's my fucking... I don't know. What happened? Yeah, this is the flight ticket to Argentina for me. I mean, the price is equal to the air ticket. I bought this one yesterday. It's cost me 3,500 Canadian dollars. It's a 2005 Dodge Sprinter 118 wheelbase. In the winter of Canada, you cannot ride too much. You see the weather condition. So I'm supposed to put the motorcycle inside here, the cargo. The car is look like this, rust, and got over 300,000 kilometers, and a lot of problem. But if I can go to Argentina with the car and carry my motorcycle, I think it worth back the money, because you just buy a flight ticket go there. The cost not too much. I find this car looks very nice for me. Yeah, maybe for you it look like a ugly car, dirty. But for me, it's kind of retro classic. I think I should convert the car maybe under $500, because it got a lot of uncertainty on the engine or something. I don't know. My main idea is put a bed on the bulkhead wall, along the bulkhead wall. I can sleep, but I know the width is very short. It's like now it's like 1.7 meter long, but I can make the bed a little bit like an ice ship. And when you sleep, I'm a sad sleeper, so I always bend my knee on the bed, so I don't need too much length of the bed. But just in case, if I turn my body in the dream, maybe I want to stretch my leg, so I can extend the bed wide on the other side, like an ice ship. You see, it's gonna extend the bed for extra length if you sleep like this. This side, I can put my motorcycle, and the motorcycle, the front wheel, just under the bed. I think the bed just height like that. On the other side, I probably put the kitchen, just a simple one, maybe just for toothwash, or maybe drink some water, just like that. Make coffee. Yeah, that's all of this. Finally, I think I could make a window here, so if I drive, I can look back, and if I sleep, I can look through the driver chassis. Now I'm going to start the car to let you help me to check the engine if good or not. I'm not a mechanical person. I don't know nothing about the engine, the oil things, so I cannot judge the car good or not. But I can feel the ex-owner is a really good person, and he's a Russian guy. He talk very straight and always smile. So for me, I think I just trust that. So now I turn the mileage of the car is 380,000 kilometers. Now I'm gonna turn the engine. The ex-owner kept the car very clean, so I like the style. So after talk with the guy, I decided to buy the car without doubt. Yeah, 2.7 liter diesel. So this is the engine. In the beginning, I saw here some oil leaking, and I only saw here. I don't know the other thing, but they told me it's a diesel engine. It's a diesel engine, so it's probably normal for the oil leaking. Yeah. But anyway, it's only $3,000 vehicle. I don't have too much complaint. Once I can drive it to Argentina, all of this is worth back, you know. For the next one, I probably shoot a video to show you when I finish the decoration in the cargo area. So hopefully see you soon. Have a nice Christmas holiday.